All right, so if you were wanting to provide a freelancer or really anybody access to your Amazon account, I'm going to show you how to do that here in this video. Now, you're most likely doing this because you have a freelancer that's going to do some work for you on your Amazon account, but you want to provide access and you want that access to be limited. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in the settings. This is going to be a quick video. But if you're not already using Fiverr.com, Fiverr is an excellent option when it comes to using freelancers and getting projects done for your Amazon business and really any other business. So I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below for you to sign up for Fiverr if you don't already have an account. But let's get right into this video. All right, so here I am on my seller dashboard, and essentially all you need to do is come to the settings. And when you get to the settings, you're going to click on user permissions. You have user permission history. We're not clicking that. We're clicking user permissions. Once you've clicked this, you will have, where I have actually blocked off, you're going to have an area that says the name and the email address. Now, to add someone, there is a second section down here where you can add the name and add an email address. Here, yes. All right, so this is where you would say, let's add John Smith. We're going to That's just for the purposes of you seeing. You can put in a name and an email address. But I'm actually going to show you the person that I have. I'm going to show you what permissions they have. So you're going to click on Manage Permissions. And this is where you can provide access to certain parts of your Amazon account. You don't have to provide access to everything. And also, you can actually go from none to view and edit. And then there's also admin, which I don't know who really would need access to admin. Maybe somebody does at some point with deals or with inventory performance. You may need an admin as well, but there's a lot of different options you can go through here and look at them. But there's a lot of different options you can see here that you can choose for somebody to have no access to, which is none. You would click, these are automatically all selected to none. And then you can say, okay, I want them to view, or I want them to view and edit. If you select view and edit, they're going to have the ability to work on that part of your Amazon account. So very simple, very straightforward. You just need to know exactly what it is when you're communicating with your freelancer, what it is that they need access to work on a certain project. So you can come in here and adjust all of the different user permissions. After that, you're going to click continue. And that is going to give them access to everything they need to work on your Amazon account. I really hope this video ended up being helpful. Again, remember that link to Fiverr.com. If you're not already using Fiverr, they have some excellent gigs on there, some excellent deals for you to get projects done quickly. That's really all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.